In this video, we will learn to create and write data to Excel spreadsheet in Python. First, we need to install the Excel Writer module. You can go to File Setting. And we can search for Excel Writer module. Excel as Writer. Install this. It is installed. Now we need to include or import in our script. We need to import Excel Writer. We define some data that we are going to write to our Excel file. University data. And we need to give Excel column names. So it's gonna be department and ID. It's gonna be and then we can have email. These are our columns for our Excel. And now we can give the column values, the rows. I'm gonna go here. Just gonna display the value will be, for example, computer science department. This is the first row's value, and ID will be 1. And email, we can give an email, tom@hotmail.com. And then we are going to give the data for the second row. It's gonna be chemistry and ID 30 and email Tom Mike at Hotmail. And this will be now third row, and its value electrical engineering for department. This value is for department, and then the ID will be any ID like 79, and then just gonna do some mail, Peter at hotmail.com, and then right here I'm just gonna add 3 rows. We need to create our Excel spreadsheet using the workbook function and pass the name University Excel of the file as an input. So we will have workbook, and we need to call Excel writers function workbook and pass it the name of our Excel file, university dot. Now we can create our sheet. Give it a name, my sheet workbook dot add worksheet, and we need to give the sheet title. We will give my sheet, and now we can enumerate our university data. So we're gonna use for loop for I data in enumerate and give our university data. We will loop through our university data and get the column name. So we need condition if I equals 0. That means our column names. We need to write these to Excel sheet. So we are going to use my sheets function write. It will write the data to Excel. These are rows and columns, and then our data for this one is our column name, and then the second column name, just gonna copy this one and change the columns value. Okay. And the third one, here 2 1, and it's gonna be 2 and 2. Now we have our 3 column names, and we're gonna do else we will print column values or rows. So we're gonna do now my sheet dot write, my sheet dot write, and here we can specify I row and column name numbers, and I 0, and then our data 0. This is the first row's value, and then just gonna copy. Then I'm gonna do 1 1. Column changes size like 1 1, and third value 2 2. We can also use write number here because we know the ID is integer, so we can do write number. If you don't know what kind of data is going in, then you can use write function. If you know the data type, then you can use this data type. For example, we did it here, write number. It is for integer value of ID. So now we just need to close our workbook. So we are going to call workbook.close. Workbook dot close, and colon missing in here. Now just run the program. Before we run it, we need to fix this one. This is uppercase. So after we run the program, you can see it created our Excel file. Now we can go to this Excel file folder, right click on it, and then show in Explorer. Over here, we can just open up, and you can see it added our data. These are column names, and we also added 3 rows and their values. This way you can write Excel or create Excel file and add data to it in Python. For more videos, please subscribe to our channel. Thank you.